The end result, because he said. So please, you should stop wasting our years. Oh my God, I'm for to code Freddy Blay, oh my to credit. Never yet did the Hunabayano.
But lawyer, my mean be so. And are you surprised, sir? This statement, is coming from no meaner person than the former national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. We are surprised.
I'm a tonka.
Okay, good. But now, who church as some
Say, I even am good to
now we can't Kwame Nkrumah as and be now your mentor. Now then,
you should go and read the 1964 referendum. Kwame Nkrumah was Chim Ghana for answer. Moko to about one party. That was in 1964. In 1963, Kwame Nkrumah the then Chief Justice through Parliament. And no been Mahama during just a Chief Justice area or Beba say Yempe interpretation. There is no need for interpretation. Then you know when they attack somebody going to the Supreme Court for interpretation. Mahama and Freddy Blay, you can sponsor Freddy Blay to go to the Supreme Court for interpretation. Because the words are so clear and unambiguous. You don't go to the Supreme Court for interpretation. Or engage Freddy Blay or a lawyer or no better than Mahama. Nobody cares. Or power Supreme Court on Kata Mahama Besana could be you. Member on Tim could be you. But or power on calling Supreme Court and Castle Betima could be you. No one could be you.
Lawyer, my name is as some way.
I went to an step to on the Chimaku de now, what do I say? Namonia Bewo. I mean, this is Mahama should not even know this idea. So I don't think that's on better to my Chief Justice. Chief Justice in there, our Bepan or Beko. But look, we can decide. Mahama, you should go back to the history book and read the law. What happened? They're not coming from my area. They're not point there. But the result was what? The end result, because he said. So please, you should stop wasting our years. Oh my God, I'm for to code Freddy Blay, oh my to credit. Never yet did the Hunabayano.
But lawyer, my mean be so. And are you surprised, sir? This statement, is coming from no meaner person than the former national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. We are surprised.
Do with MPP. This has got nothing to do with this. It has got something to do with common sense. It has got nothing to do with that people. It has got nothing to do with this. It has got nothing to do with politics. It has got something to do with common sense. The Timonia is a more than politics. Or a national chairman NTDA. NTDA. A national chairman for NTDA. It has got something to do with common sense. The Timonia is a more than NPP and DC. Whether there be a NPP. There be a this. There be a I am fair getting money. There be a much of that. GMP and this. It has got to do with common sense. It has got nothing to do with MPP. It has got nothing to do with MPP. It has got nothing to do with politics. It has got something to do with common sense. That is all.
Lawyers, it has got nothing to do with NPP. It has gotten nothing to do with the NDC. But sir, common sense, common sense. I dream ben.
Common sense is so communal. The communal. So a purposive interpretation or not interpretation. That is the common sense.
But would it be wrong, sir? Obi betimi this asem we akwa dying a Supreme Court for the interpretation of Article 61 ana.
Now I compare. I must be correct. And I'm going to get my BD man. I'm cry. Banko. But I'm going to Court 070 Mahama Tinkobu. Unku. But if you are conversant the history of this country, if you are conversant with the history of humanity, if you are conversant with history, if you learn lessons from history, you will say, oh, the Mahama Pebia, Your baby, my Freddy Blay, push it on yet. And so, I say, Meranoswana, I do what happened.
Asamu ibeto dwano UGDP say eye ye mampenye otisu sese ene na pamfo ana kwose eye Freddy Blay echi ena mu pia ne say onfa sa asamu ibeto dwana.
But last again, I won't go into politics because of this one this year. On Mahama and you. So that's got nothing to do with MPP. It has got nothing to do with NDT. It has got something to do with greed. And yet, for the purpose of coming out, now Mahama pa and Katargin Brand because W. But I do for the purpose of coming out. Characteristics of African politicians. Freddy Blay no Mahama no man kana ko no benya ne be kende o wura mam de me na ba bi nem de me me hu ben ye benya be the hookers kwame nkrumah ko referendum the 1964 1965 January 65 referendum baby yes nya 18,000 no nya zero there were about 30 constituencies yes nya figures more than 10,000. No, 000. At the end of it, and
It's on kapa Laura.
A person for the soldier of the Ecofian. Ebia, I mean, that's the Kumbra. Remember my quadri. And the same power, Ghana, and every into Mama should have compensed cook. I earned a cheap. What happened in Tunisia was an individual, a young boy, the end result was what? Arab Spring. A use of fire. Gaddafi could have suffered. Egypt suffered. Gaddafi suffered. Algeria suffered. Please, tell my don't you back was a book. No, yeah, I'm for the Mahama, but you should learn lessons from history. But I'm telling you, Mahama should learn lessons from history. The man is older than me, Obiri Boahene. But I can tell you, say, Ghana back at them chair. Or you the person in community. By the cross of the crowd, so Mahama saw the Freddy Blay, but the suggestion be a yard of all of the quartet, Munya no man in Quay. Never, but the but you know, we learn history and we should learn from the lessons of history. Every mature person should learn history and he should learn from the lessons of history. Kwame Nkrumah no I want about you to me that.
Actually, UGDP say womo yaso brache na womo try says adewi womo de beye dwuma e betimi ama Ghana for ebufuhyew aba ye mampenye otiso sisi.
Anya Ghana for nature will repulse against it. Nature repulse, nature will revolt, nature will challenge it. Anya Ghana for nature. I'm saying nature. So I know the master. I know na se me da futu ni me tino. No lawyer man pay not jubilee no futu. Kofi me da futu ni me man. Yanum se kra na to boy abaso. Anya the king is naked. King naked. To be here no anya naked. But ya can pain. Am people tab the can pain. Ya me nya tanfo bebre. I don't care. And this is mechanic pain. Me nya tanfo bebre. I don't care. But that's anam here. I speak the truth. Wana ebeto enya me ko fibu. Na kura dem the cultural people for the ben ye ben muyam. Na tia betiam ne bekuyam nya. Ntibi dem na kura no makna. No for papa.
Lord everyone, you better was say o ma ho kwama ye ne wodi nkomo. Nyame nhira. Yo. Lawyer Obiri Boahene, the former deputy General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. That is 718 Kobo. And then we na my GDP said Abronya. That's senior Abronya no. Senior Abronya no. That but okay, so land on the Zoom line issue now. Yeah, making progress. Yeah.